Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to upload your app to the Apple App Store. First, join the Apple Developer Program by signing in at developer.apple.com and enrolling for $99 per year using your Apple ID, which is required to publish and manage apps on the App Store. Then, prepare your app in Xcode by building it using the latest version of Xcode. Then, set the bundle ID, version number, and signing, and make sure to test the app on a real iPhone or iPad to avoid submission issues. Next, create an app record in App Store Connect by going to App Store Connect and opening My Apps and selecting New App. Then enter the app name, bundle ID, primary language, and SKU to create the listing. Archive and upload the app in Xcode by clicking Product, then Archive. And after the archive is complete, click Distribute App, choose App Store Connect, and upload the build to Apple servers. Now, add app details by uploading screenshots, the app icon, and the description, then set the pricing, category, and privacy policy, and fill out the app privacy details and content rating accurately. Finally, submit the app for review by selecting the uploaded build and clicking Submit for review, after which Apple will review the app before it appears on the App Store. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.